Earth, where we live, how we interact with nature, in harmony and balance, that's our responsibility. PT Prasada Pamunah Limbah Industri PPLI is an Indonesian company owned by DOA 95% and 5% by the government of Indonesia through the Ministry of State-Owned Enterprises that has been in operation since 1994, providing collection, recycling, treatment, and disposal services for hazardous waste and non-hazardous waste. Established in 1994 as the first and only licensed waste management facility in Indonesia. In year 2000, acquired by MAA Group, and from that time till 2008, successful turnaround and commencement of capacity upgrade to improve facilities and increase capacity. In 2009, MAA acquired by DOA Ecosystem, which is a company dedicated to environmental management and recycling, and a wholly owned subsidiary company of DOA Holdings, a Japan-based company established in 1884. PPLI offers a broad, very comprehensive, and fully permitted range of waste treatment and disposal solutions. Our services result in cleaner environments, better living conditions, healthier communities, and sustainable business activities. PPLI is responsible for site closure and post-closure care for 30 years. PPLI achieved third-party accreditation of its management system ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, ISO IEC 17025, by Khan Laboratory Accreditation by Ministry of Environment, and ISO 9001 Management System. In PPLI, we have what we call waste management procedure. Before waste is accepted, a sample is collected and analyzed at our laboratory, which is equipped with a modern physical and chemical laboratory to determine the appropriate handling method and treatment process for the customer waste materials. The Technical Services Laboratory also ensures that both PPLI and the customer are well informed of the precautions and the constituents of their waste. We have implemented a fully integrated operations and laboratory information management system (OLIMS), which provide customers and regulators the necessary confidence and guarantees our ability to track individual waste package from the customer's premises until final treatment and disposal. All incoming and outgoing vehicles are monitored using CCTV, GPS, and manifest documentation, and waste label barcoding to ensure a secure and smooth waste transportation from your facility to ours. Our drivers are trained so they can handle in case a waste spill happens during transportation process. PPLI staff provide services in packaging, labeling, and container security to ensure waste is ready for collection in compliance with the laws of Indonesia. The collection services are scheduled, and we operate a broad range of transportation equipment in order to best meet the demands our customers need. PPLI Customer Services Group is dedicated to achieving the highest level of customer services. Customer Services Group performs many aspects of coordination, including assisting in technical or administrative issues, as well as receiving feedback from customers. PPLI offers a stabilization treatment for solid waste delivered in non-stable form. The stabilization process involves various forms of chemical pretreatment, followed by mixing with Portland cement, fly ash, absorbent clay, water, and other reagents in varying proportions. Once stabilized, the end product is deposited safely into the eco-landfill. The liquid waste may be hazardous and non-hazardous depending on the type of processes and raw material. We are able to treat various types of liquid waste containing a high degree of contamination. The treatment process incorporates both physical and chemical reaction processes as well as biological process. Wastewater treatment processes include chemical precipitation, coagulations, and flocculation, dissolved air flotation, filter parasolids removal, biological sequencing batch reactors, activated carbon polishing, engineered wetlands. Once the liquid waste has been treated using a variety of treatment process, it passes through the line-engineered wetlands before final testing and discharged in batches via the fully permitted discharge pipeline. We believe in energy recovery. We are able to convert liquid waste into synthetic fuels through a process called fuels blending and solid waste into alternative fuel and raw materials AFR. Waste materials with a calorific value are carefully blended following stringent controls on the blending process to ensure no adverse chemical reactions. These blended materials are manufactured into an alternative fuel which is delivered by PPLI under strict control procedures to a third-party user and processor, a cement kiln. These energy recovery facilities have been in operation since 1994 and are the only fully permitted facilities in Indonesia. PPLI Modern Waste Eco Landfill is engineered and operated by professionals to meet Indonesian, World Bank, US EPA, and EU standards. The methods and materials used in this service guarantees that hazardous and non-hazardous waste is properly managed and permanently secured. High-level environmental monitoring and audit systems are utilized to provide confidence in the long-term security of the disposal facilities. A fully permitted Class 1 eco-landfill has been in service at PPLI Cilengsi since 1994 and a Class 2 eco-landfill since 2007. We are currently developing a system in our Class 2 eco-landfill that would enable us to convert the methane gas produced by the waste into electricity, which would empower all PPLI's facilities. We have a fully equipped and experienced site services team capable of meeting the demands of customers on a variety of site-related projects. Our team have been supporting in drilling projects, oil and gas and geothermal, and site-related services at industrial customers' premises since 1994. They are available 24/7 to meet the demands of the projects. As our commitment as a total waste management services, we have also developed special treatment for typical waste streams, including but not limited to lithium battery, mercury lamps, PCB transformer, accumulator battery, ozone depleting substance, and lab chemicals. Our drilling waste management services are a customer-focused and solutions-driven approach for oil and gas and geothermal energy sector drilling projects, which optimize the design, delivery, and management of drilling waste in an integrated menu of services tailored to suit the specific needs of the customers. Products, equipment, technology, and services are delivered by highly trained personnel, engineered and designed to properly handle most drill cuttings waste encountered offshore and onshore in today's challenging drilling environment 24 hours a day. Essential as part of our contribution to a sustainable society, we are committed to monitoring and maintaining harmonious relationships and support for the local community and strive to be a socially responsible company. Our mission is to discover, nurture, and bring to life the ideals of people and company who share our planet. Motivate our planet, PPLI.